We're Designing Spaces, the show that's all about you and your space, your home and surroundings. I'm Debbie Murray.
And I'm David Jones. On Designing Spaces, we take a look at all aspects of your home and property, including lifestyle. So there's plenty to interest homeowners everywhere.
So stick around and see it all right here on Designing Spaces.
With the hot days of summer, we should be thinking about our air conditioning. Is it working with maximum efficiency? Should it be serviced?
But who do you trust to do the work? And how do you know you're being treated fairly by a service company?
Well, to learn about AC maintenance, here's Rhonda Castagna.
With hot weather around the corner, your air conditioner may need some basic maintenance or possibly replacement. Like anything mechanical, it wears out with time. But when it comes to hiring an HVAC professional to conduct an annual maintenance or possibly replace parts of your home system, who do you trust? Will they do the work correctly? Will they pad the bill with unnecessary parts and labor? Or will they even show up on time? Designing Spaces teamed up with one group of professionals who have some very good advice on HVAC maintenance, repair, and installation.
Parts of the house never seem to get cool in the summer anymore. It's been like that for a while.
Our AC unit is breaking down time and again, and every time they come over, they're nickel and diming me to death. It is time to do something about it.
The last time I had to wait for the repair guy all day. He said he'd be here mid-morning, and I had to wait till 4. I've got things to do. I can't wait here all day for him.
We're here with Mary Beth and Steve, and also joining us is Lenny Siers, who is brand president of 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning. And we're here to evaluate their unit and to see whether it needs maintenance or an upgrade. So Lenny, thank you so much for being here with us today.
You're welcome.
Okay, before we take a look at their unit, let's talk about energy efficiency. Do you have any tips for us?
Yes, absolutely. Basically, a home comfort system is designed to keep your home comfortable during those long, hot summer days and warm and cozy during those winter nights. Like all things mechanical, eventually they wear out and tend to break down. Based on that, if you experience higher than normal utility bills, unexpected breakdowns, and or noise coming from an indoor or outdoor unit, I highly recommend you look at the option of having a company come out and evaluate your system.
Okay, so once we realize that we need a professional to come out, you know what we do. We tend to go through the yellow pages, try to flip through, pick someone, and that can be quite confusing.
And I've done that. I've called 3 different companies for 3 different problems. They never show up on time. It just doesn't work.
So, Lenny, I know there's a lot of fly-by-night operations out there. So what should someone look for when they're hiring a professional HVAC contractor or maintenance service?
Well, that's a good question, Rhonda. You're first looking for a licensed contractor that can service your home comfort system. Here at 1 Hour Air, we go to the next level. We perform a thorough background check on all employees, and along with a ongoing drug screening.
Wow, that's really nice.
Yes, it is, and that gives you peace of mind knowing who's in your home.
Okay, so what would be the first thing you would do for Mary Beth and Steve in their home?
Our motto is always on time or you don't pay a dime. So based on that, I would set up an appointment with our comfort advisor to have a sit-down visit at their house. During that visit, they'll be performing a comfort survey. This survey has many topics on it, but some of the topics discuss what is in the best interest of the homeowners, like if there's any hot or cold spots in their home, along with if there's any issues of allergies or asthma with any of their family members. With that, we have indoor air qualities to address. And then also, we want to see how long they're planning on living in the home so we can design a system that meets their requirements in a manner that fits their needs. After that, we do an engineering analysis. The engineering analysis is an in-depth process that measures both their indoor and outdoor unit and the ductwork to make sure that everything is proper for what we're designing to give them options on. After this is all performed, we have a sit-down option presentation that we present to the homeowners, and this presentation covers every option possible that fits their needs along with the needs of their home.
Very thorough, I like that. So once the comfort survey is complete, when would the installer come to do the work that's needed in the home?
That's a good question, Rhonda. Our installation manager will actually pick the first available appointment. During that time, we'll go ahead and schedule an appointment, in most cases the same day, if not the next morning.
Oh, that's great.
At that time, our professional installers will show up at your home on time, fully prepared to do the installation with everything that's needed.
Great. Okay, so once the work is complete, are there any guarantees?
Yes, every company should stand behind the work they do, and not only in verbal guarantees, but in writing. Here at 1 Hour, we have a lot of great guarantees that are in writing to protect you, the homeowner. Basically, we have a comfort guarantee, guaranteeing that the system we install in your house will provide the comfort that we say it will. Basically, our comfort guarantee guarantees the homeowner that the system will perform up to the standards of their liking, or we'll come out and make it right. In the event that we can't make it right, we'll pull the equipment out, give them 100% of their money back. Also, that goes into the 100% money back guarantee we have. Basically, our job is to install a system to meet all the requirements your family and your home needs, so we stand behind it with 100% satisfaction. And if we don't provide the comfort we say it will, then we'll come back and make it right. In the unlikely event we can't make it right, we'll pull it out and give 100% of your money back.
That's
guaranteed.
Great. That gives people a lot of peace of mind.
Yes, it does.
Now, once all of that's finished, what about maintenance? Is there any need for that?
Yes. Maintenance is highly recommended for any mechanical or machine, and our maintenance program is called the Home Comfort Club. Basically, you'll be getting 2 visits a year to inspect your heating and cooling system. And on top of that, you get some great benefits like reduced service calls and reduced repair costs in the unlikely event you'd have a system breakdown. Also, it has a lot of benefits above that. Basically, you're getting a discount on any future service or repairs. You're also getting priority service. That means that anytime you, in the unlikely event you experience a breakdown, you'll be put in the front of the line, priority service. It also has other benefits like keeping your utility overpayments down. And then also on top of that, it'll also prevent breakdowns and prolong the life of your home comfort system.
And I like that you're saving the money, Lenny. Very good. All right, well, let's go catch up with Mary Beth and Steve. Well, Mary Beth and Steve, seems like Lenny is steering you both in the right direction.
Thanks so much, Lenny. It's been a real education.
So where can our viewers find out more?
They can visit our website at onehouраir.com to see if one of our over 200 locations services your area.
And we'll also put a link to their website on our website at designingspaces.tv. And there you can also review any part of this show again. Mary Beth and Steve, again, thank you so much for allowing us in your home today. And Lenny, special thank you to you as well.
My pleasure.
For Designing Spaces, I'm Rhonda Castagna.
Okay, we are out of time, but we have more coming up for you next week. I'm David Jones.
And I'm Debbie Marie. So we'll see you next week right here on Designing Spaces. Bye for now. You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.